This is the blizzard of 2013. Ellen has the glow of the fire on her face.
Or the glow of my computer.
Or the glow of the computer is not as sexy. There is a fire, though.
There is a fire.
And there is a blizzard of wicked proportion.
Can you get it? Can you see it?
Kind of. You can't really see the wind blowing as hard. One window is completely caked over. And this is the other side of some guy out there snow plowing the sidewalk.
Good for him.
He's dedicated. He's got a
Keep it up, dude.
bright orange jacket on. We gotta take some more video when the gusts of wind are picking up.
Yeah.
Blizzard 2013 out.